Hey, I'm coming to you today because I wanted to share my new toy with everyone. In the part of my getting prepared for my family, one of the things that I thought about was if the power goes out and you have emergency that you need to use a machine for and there's no power, I chose to get a WonderWash machine, and I just took it out of the box and everything, but I was trying to record and it didn't record. I don't know what happened, but anyway, so this is what it looks like. So I'm still putting it together, but the thing wasn't recorded. So I just put the handle and everything on. I gotta put this other little piece on. Us as women always have a reason to need to wash something, and you can always use a bucket and a plunger, you know what I'm saying? But I thought this was cute. They come in different colors. This is the one I wanted, so I got what I wanted. And if you spent your money on sneakers, that's what was important to you, hey, more power to you. This is what I'm talking about. It's not a lot of work to use this. Oh, this is going to be a beautiful thing. To wash something in this, oh, this is going to be fun. Anyway. And what else does it come with? So, what is it telling me to do? Oh, the side covers. These are the little side covers to go where the opening is, where I attach the legs at. So that's what these are for. These go here. Got you. Make sure it doesn't slide. Cool. This was like on Amazon, it was like 58 bucks. But I probably could have got it cheaper if I'd have thought about it sooner, but it is what it is. You get things when it comes to you. There's level to this. So, you know what I'm saying? It depends on your level of understanding and where you're at in your life. But this is what it's showing me I have to do. So, this is what I'm doing for my house. You do what you want to do for yours. In the meantime, like I said, you can always use a bucket and a plunger if you got to wash something out. But that's not something I want to do. How much food are you preparing? This way, this thing doesn't move at all. All right. And this is what it looks like. So this is the WonderWash, the alternative.